Hello everyone. Welcome back to Practice Speaking English. Today we're talking about cooking skills. We'll learn how to talk about cooking, favorite dishes, and experiences in the kitchen. Join Emma and Ryan as they chat about cooking. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Can you cook? Let's begin. Hi Ryan. Today we're talking about cooking.
Hi Emma, yes, let's see how good we are in the kitchen.
So Ryan, can you cook?
Yes, a little. I can make simple meals.
What's the first thing you learned to cook?
I learned to make scrambled eggs.
How about you, Emma? Can you cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking quite a lot.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
Pasta with tomato sauce.
What about you, Ryan?
I like making sandwiches and omelets.
Do you cook every day?
Not every day, maybe a few times a week.
How about you?
I try to cook at least once a day.
Do you follow recipes or cook from memory?
Sometimes recipes, sometimes I just improvise.
Do you enjoy baking too?
Yes, but only simple things like cookies.
What was the last thing you cooked?
I made fried rice yesterday.
Did it turn out well?
Yes, it was tasty and easy to make.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, it's fun to share meals.
Do you often cook for your family?
Sometimes, usually on weekends.
Do you like trying new recipes?
Yes, I enjoy experimenting.
What's the most complicated dish you've cooked?
I made lasagna once.
Did it take a long time?
Yes, about 2 hours.
Do you prefer cooking or ordering food?
Sometimes cooking, sometimes ordering.
Do you like cooking breakfast?
Yes, pancakes and eggs are my favorite.
How about lunch?
Sandwiches or salads are easy to make.
What about dinner?
Pasta, rice dishes, or simple meat recipes.
Do you like cooking meat or vegetarian dishes?
Both, depending on the day.
Do you know how to cook fish?
Yes, I can bake or fry fish.
Do you cook soups or stews?
Yes, I like making vegetable soup.
Do you often cook spicy food?
Sometimes, I like a little spice.
Do you enjoy cooking desserts?
Yes, but only simple desserts.
What's your favorite dessert to make?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Do you cook with fresh ingredients?
Yes, I try to use fresh vegetables and meat.
Do you follow healthy recipes?
Sometimes, I try to eat balanced meals.
Do you use a lot of spices?
Not too much, just enough for flavor.
Do you cook Asian food?
Yes, sometimes noodles or fried rice.
How about Italian food?
Pasta, pizza, and tomato sauces.
Have you ever cooked Mexican food?
Yes, tacos and quesadillas.
Do you enjoy grilling or baking?
Grilling is fun, especially on weekends.
Do you cook soups often?
Yes, soups are easy and healthy.
Do you make your own sauces?
Sometimes, like tomato or pesto sauce.
Have you cooked for parties or friends?
Yes, small gatherings.
Do you like cooking breakfast for others?
Yes, pancakes are fun to make for friends.
Do you know how to cook rice properly?
Yes, I can cook plain rice and fried rice.
Do you often cook at home or outside?
Mostly at home, sometimes camping or picnic cooking.
Do you enjoy cooking with family?
Yes, it's fun and educational.
Do you know how to make soups from scratch?
Yes, vegetable or chicken soups.
What's your favorite soup to make?
Tomato soup.
Do you cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day?
Not always, sometimes only lunch and dinner.
Do you enjoy cooking quickly or slowly?
Quickly, unless it's a special dish.
Do you like cooking for special occasions?
Yes, birthdays or holidays are fun.
Have you ever cooked for a large group?
Yes, a small family party once.
Do you often make your own sauces?
Yes, like salad dressings or tomato sauce.
Do you enjoy cooking meat or vegetables more?
Vegetables, because they're easy and healthy.
Do you know how to cook eggs in many ways?
Yes, boiled, fried, scrambled, and omelets.
Do you cook pasta often?
Yes, pasta is easy and quick.
Do you enjoy cooking new dishes from other countries?
Yes, it's exciting to try new flavors.
Do you cook sweet or salty dishes more often?
Salty dishes for main meals.
Do you enjoy baking cakes?
Sometimes, but only simple ones.
Do you know how to make bread?
Yes, but it takes time and practice.
Do you cook with oil or butter?
Both, depending on the recipe.
Have you ever cooked alone or with friends?
Both, but more often alone.
Do you enjoy cooking breakfast on weekends?
Yes, pancakes or eggs are my favorite.
Do you know how to make salads?
Yes, many types, with vegetables and dressings.
Do you cook with fresh herbs?
Yes, basil, parsley, and coriander.
Do you cook spicy or mild food?
Mild food, but sometimes spicy.
Have you ever cooked soup with meat?
Yes, chicken or beef soup.
Do you enjoy cooking desserts for friends?
Yes, cookies and cupcakes are fun.
Do you often cook rice dishes?
Yes, fried rice or plain rice daily.
Do you know how to make pasta sauce?
Yes, tomato sauce, creamy sauce, or pesto.
Do you cook food quickly or slowly?
Quickly, unless it's a stew.
Do you like cooking simple or complex meals?
Simple meals most of the time.
Do you enjoy cooking breakfast for friends?
Yes, pancakes and omelets are fun.
Do you often cook at home or eat out?
Mostly at home, sometimes eat out.
Do you enjoy cooking meat or fish?
Meat, because fish is tricky sometimes.
Do you cook soup often?
Yes, vegetable or chicken soups.
Do you like cooking Italian food?
Yes, pasta, pizza, and risotto.
Do you cook Asian dishes?
Sometimes, noodles or fried rice.
Do you know how to make dessert?
Yes, cookies or simple cakes.
Do you enjoy cooking spicy food?
Occasionally, but not too much.
Do you cook vegetarian dishes?
Yes, vegetables and tofu dishes.
Do you like cooking with olive oil?
Yes, for salads and frying.
Do you cook with butter or oil more often?
Both, depends on the recipe.
Do you enjoy cooking for holidays?
Yes, it's fun to make special meals.
Do you cook daily or weekly?
Few times a week, not every day.
Do you enjoy cooking at home or outside?
Mostly at home, sometimes outdoor BBQ.
Do you cook simple or fancy meals?
Simple meals, mostly.
Do you enjoy cooking snacks?
Yes, cookies, sandwiches, and popcorn.
Do you cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day?
Not always, sometimes just lunch and dinner.
Do you know how to cook eggs in many ways?
Yes, scrambled, fried, boiled, or omelets.
Do you enjoy baking cakes?
Sometimes, especially chocolate cake.
Do you like making soups?
Yes, especially vegetable soups.
Do you cook pasta often?
Yes, it's quick and easy.
Do you like cooking new dishes?
Yes, trying new recipes is fun.
Do you cook sweet dishes more often?
No, mostly savory dishes.
Do you cook with fresh vegetables?
Yes, it's healthier and tastier.
Do you enjoy cooking simple meals?
Yes, quick and practical.
Do you cook fast or slow?
Fast, unless it's a stew.
Do you enjoy cooking desserts?
Yes, cookies and cakes are fun.
Do you cook rice daily?
Yes, almost every day.
Do you like cooking Italian food?
Yes, pasta and pizza are favorites.
Do you cook Asian food sometimes?
Yes, noodles and fried rice.
Do you cook spicy food?
Occasionally, but mild food mostly.
Do you cook for friends and family?
Yes, sometimes on weekends.